In this video, we will show you how to connect MemeFi to the Ton wallet. If you guys want to get set up with Telegram, you can use the links down in the description. MemeFi is the blockchain-powered meme-centered universe where you can earn rewards in Ton, the open network, by engaging in transaction and activities. Ton transactions on MemeFi are simple, but they often aren't if you're using the wrong tools. First, open Telegram. Your MemeFi journey starts with the trusted Telegram app. Now inside Telegram, locate the Ton space option. Then get your recovery phrase. This part is crucial. In Ton space, go to settings and retrieve your recovery phrase. Keep it somewhere safe. Next, you're ready for the magic of earning those coins. With your wallet connected, you're all set to explore how to perform MemeFi Ton transactions and earn rewards that might make you feel like a blockchain rockstar. To complete a transaction in MemeFi, head to the earnings section. Once you're in MemeFi, find the section dedicated to earnings or daily transactions. Then select the option you want to complete. It's likely to require about 0.2 Ton, a tiny amount for big blockchain rewards. After that, connect your wallet. If you haven't done so, make sure your Ton wallet is connected. Ton Space integrates directly with Telegram so that you won't be redirected to external sites. Now hit that confirm button and watch the system do its thing. With Ton Space, your Ton transaction on MemeFi is secure and hassle-free. The Ton Space transaction on MemeFi is complete and rewards are credited to your account. So that's how to connect MemeFi to the Ton wallet. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Telegram. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.